Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised I was going to bring this soup to you guys, the Atama soup. So here it is. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share, and do all those good stuff. So there's a lot of tales about this Atama soup, how it's medicinal, how it can drive out bowel movement. I'll give you the real gist inside the video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget that, very important. So my name is Furo, in case you're seeing me for the first time or you're hearing me for the first time. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the content. Yeah, beautiful soup. So guys, this is the ingredients we're going to be using for this Atama soup. This Atama leaf is very famous for, is medicinal, potent. They say it can drive out bad omen. I don't know how true that is. So we're going to be using pepper, crayfish, very good. This thing, I really don't know what the name is, but we call it pepper soup spice, but I don't know the actual name. So this is like the king of the Atama soup. It just gives it that flavor, very delicious. Okay, so guys, this Atama, they said the leaf, they said it can drive a bad omen. I don't know. This is periwinkle, babe. Focus, babe. So this is periwinkle, yeah. Clean. This is catfish, guys. Catfish. Look, you see that shiny fish right there? There's no soup I cook that I don't put in that shiny fish, especially native soup. There's this taste it gives soup that I really like. Yes, I really like it, that shiny fish. So even if I put dry fish, I still try to put mackerel. Yeah, that's the English name, mackerel. Dry mackerel. It's very delicious, it gives soup taste. So that's the Atama leaf, very famous. They say it drives bad omen, and they say this leaf is very good for the night in case you're married. You know what I mean? Okay, guys. So this is the seasoning cube I'm going to be using. Crayfish, and this one I got from the chef, and I saw it the first time in the chef and I liked it. I like the taste and I like it in the soup, and since then I've been using it. Okay, so I just used this and the crayfish Maggi just to spice up the soup. Okay. Get your salt. Okay, salt is very important. So that's still my crayfish. I just added my salt into it. So this is me trying to cut down the Atama leaf. You don't pound it, nothing. You just cut it. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? So you just cut it very tiny, just like so. Very easy. So I use goat meat and cow head for this soup, as you're seeing me do. This is me just steaming the goat meat, and the cow head. So this is the banga oil that I've extracted from the banga seed. So I'm just boiling it. So what I do is I just boil the banga, wash out the oil with warm water, and then I put it. Guys, this soup is very messy. So I'll put in that stuff I told you I don't know the name, the pepper soup spice. I'll just put it in the banga water and let it boil. It gives the soup a very good flavor. Okay, so then I'm adding all my fish. Remember the mackerel and the catfish. I'm just going to add it. So this soup, like everywhere, is going to be oil. Please guys, bear with me. Everywhere is just oily. So you just let them boil and then you add your pepper. After a while, just add pepper, and that's me. My crayfish, I just added crayfish too. So everything is just let it boil, add, let it boil, add, let it boil, add, let it steam, or so, just like so. So don't mind me, that's me just playing with editing. Okay, so that's my spice, my seasoning cube and salt. Okay, so I just put it in, just put to taste. Okay, to your own liking and choice. So at this point I just let everything, oh guys, sorry about that, I just let everything simmer, and then I'll start adding my meat. Guys, there's a secret about this soup. Look, when you cook it the first day, it's very watery, just like you're seeing it, but don't worry, don't bother putting any thickener or anything, just leave it. By the second day, you won't believe your eyes. It will be thick enough for you to eat. So it will just be like you added the thickener, but no, you didn't add anything. I think it's the banga that just gives it that thickening effect. So that's the stock I'm just trying to add to the soup, the stock, guys, and then I'll let everything boil or simmer together. Okay, see the boiling, man. Oh, there was not enough lightning, so this video is not giving the look of the soup, the way the soup looks like. It's not giving enough. I don't know what I'm going to say, but this soup was looking amazing, amazing. Okay, so I'll just add in my periwinkle now, so that my periwinkle can cook very well. Like, what's banga soup without cut periwinkle? This thing is like the AKWA people, like they like periwinkle like hell, and it gives soup nice taste and just gives the soup weight, you know what I mean? So I just stir everything together just to make sure my periwinkle takes in all the flavor, all the ingredient, you know, so that when you're sucking, you'll be sucking out the flavors of the soup. Is very, very important. Okay, so that's the soup. Stirring, guys, like I'm saying, like the oil everywhere is just too much. But guys, I gotta show you this soup. So the light is not doing me justice to the look of the soup, but it's okay. So we just keep going. So that's the soup boiling seriously on the fire. So is how long you let it boil that you bring out the color. If you can see now, the color is changing. So you let it boil well, or steam, or cook very well. You know, if you're cooking, you understand what I mean. So with the banga soup is how long you let it. The more you boil it, the more vibrant the color is going to look like. So with this soup, you don't need palm oil, you don't need any form of oil. Just like so, you finish cutting it, so you just add it. And please, when you add it, they say don't put any spoon, don't turn it, allow it to boil first before you put spoon, because it might get bitter if you put your spoon in it. So that's just the rules that quite even people use to cook this soup. And so you just stir the soup like so. Man, guys, if you taste this soup, this soup is so delicious, so delicious, guys. So that's the soup boiling on the fire, as you can see. So I ate this delicious soup with my curry flour fufu. In case you want to see the video of the curry flour fufu, please guys, I'm going to link it on this video so that you can see it. Okay, and that is my beautiful soup, delicious for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.